Of course, this opens the door to one of my greatest ideas of all time.
And if you haven't heard of it, just check John's Twitter account. He
the
tweeted it a couple
new
times.
South Stadium parking garage and party decks. I'm telling you, you want innovation, you want excitement, you want people. I mean, it kind of harkens back to parking next to your high school field. You know, when you were able to do that, if you're from small town Nebraska, you can park your car, take out your lawn chairs, take out your coolers, and sit right there in front of your car overlooking the stadium from our beautiful new parking garage and party deck. Imagine the intimidation factor, too, if you've got a team driving towards that end zone at the end of an important game. And all of a sudden, all you hear are all these Tahoes and SUVs flashing their lights.
That would actually be pretty cool.
It would be awesome.
Honking would be amazing in a football game. The game-winning kick against Colorado in 2008. Alex Henry. The
he
kick
nails
is up.
it.
All right. You know what? Now you've done it. Now you've done it. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna see if this works.
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna go out. We're gonna go out into the garage, and we're gonna try to do this for you.
Oh,
All right, you ready?
Oh, he's here.
Here we go.
So for those of us listening on the radio right now, John, we are looking at 4 screens, myself, Stibbs, John's computer, and now John walking to his garage. So Stibbs, this is nice. We're getting a tour of John's home.
Yeah, this is
Here's my new clean garage. See how clean it is? It's very clean. I took it out. I cleaned it off.
Very clean.
Here we go. Here's the wife's car.
Oh, I hope to God she comes out that door and screams at you. I want it to happen so bad. I want her to come through that.
Everybody honk your horns. We've got to do it for the Huskers. Let's go. Honk your horn for the Huskers. We're doing it for the radio.
Is that a horn? Did somebody honk? I think John.
Here, across the street. Your horn. There you go. Honk your horn for the Huskers.
He's walking across the street.
See, I told you it worked.
He's accosting his neighbors.
See, I told you it worked. Thanks, everybody. Oh, all 3 of them. This is what it's going to sound like at Memorial Stadium. Parking garage and party decks. It's going to be awesome, baby. Was that fun?
That was amazing. Oh.
I'm so glad they were outside. My wife.
Go back to work.
Go back to work.
We'll be back in a minute on 6. They're still honking outside. Back in a minute on 1620 The Zone.